Mugomo uria kiama kia arutani KNUT kirabangite gutabania kuma mweri yukite wahota guteanirio thutha wa President Uhuru Kenyatta kuigwa makaya ma arutani. Mucemanini wa arutani a thukuru cia secondary iria iramatagwo ni kanitha wa Gatoreki bururi-ini, President augite micii ya arutani aria marathamio yahota kuhinyiririo ni mogaruruku macio.
We are reviewing the policy guidelines to ensure that this policy is not implemented to the detriment of families.
Komishoni ire yandikaga arutani TSC na kiama gia kumatetera KNUT ikoretwo na ngarari nduru iguru ria uthamia wa arutani. TSC ikiuga arutani othe makiandikwo wira ni metikirire kuruta wira mwena oro wothe wa bururi, na KNUT ikiuga matiamenyithitio iguru ria ndeto ino.
TSC cannot prescribe to us when we strike and when not to strike. That's not their business. That's not their business. We started striking in 1962 against the colonial government. 1963 against the colonial government. We have been on strike. In fact, I'm itching to see us strike.
Irita njira ya kugitira migunda ya cukuru cia muingi bururi-ini, President Kenyatta augite thukuru ni ikoya title cia migunda.
Engagement with parents and students goes a long way in unlocking disputes and releasing tensions that understandably build up in the micro communities that are our schools.
President nyakinyirire murugamo wa thirikari wa gutigirira mwana wothe ni agia na mweke wa guthoma. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Jitagwo Muthoni wa Mukiri.
Metropolitan of Mombasa, we write